Would you rather drive a vintage classic car or own the latest electric car? Would you rather race in Formula One or cruise in a luxurious yacht? Would you rather own a fast sports car or possess a versatile SUV? Would you rather drive a manual transmission or drive an automatic? Would you rather own a Harley-Davidson motorcycle or ride a BMW motorcycle? Would you rather drive a Ford Mustang or cruise in a Chevrolet Camaro? Would you rather ride a Ducati motorcycle or cruise on a Yamaha motorcycle? Would you rather own a Kawasaki Ninja or ride a Suzuki Hayabusa? Would you rather drive a Tesla electric car or own a Porsche sports car? Would you rather own a Honda Civic or drive a Toyota Corolla? Would you rather ride a Triumph motorcycle or drive a Moto Guzzi motorcycle? Would you rather drive a Dodge Challenger or own a Chevrolet Corvette? Would you rather own a Yamaha R1 or ride a Kawasaki ZX10R? Would you rather drive a Mercedes-Benz luxury car or own a BMW luxury car? Would you rather own a Harley-Davidson Softail or ride a Honda Goldwing? Would you rather drive a Chevrolet Silverado or own a Ford F-150? Would you rather ride a Kawasaki Vulcan or drive a Yamaha VMAX? Would you rather own a BMW S1000RR or ride a Ducati Panigale? Would you rather drive a Rolls-Royce luxury car or own a Bentley luxury car? Would you rather own a Suzuki GSX-R 1000 or ride a Honda CBR 1000RR? Would you rather drive a Lamborghini supercar or own a Ferrari supercar? Would you rather ride a Yamaha MT-09 or drive a Honda CB650R? Would you rather own a Chevrolet Corvette Stingray or drive a Dodge Viper? Would you rather drive a Porsche 911 Carrera or own an Audi R8? Would you rather ride a Suzuki GS XS 750 or drive a Kawasaki Z900? Would you rather own a Mercedes-Benz AMG GT or drive a BMW M4? Would you rather drive a Ford Mustang GT or own a Chevrolet Camaro SS? Would you rather ride a Harley-Davidson Road Glide or drive a Honda Goldwing Touring? Would you rather own a Yamaha YZF-R6 or ride a Kawasaki Ninja ZX6? Would you rather drive a Tesla Model X or own a Range Rover? Would you rather ride a Honda CB500F or drive a Kawasaki Ninja 400? Would you rather own a Ford Explorer or drive a Toyota Highlander? Would you rather ride a Yamaha YZF-R3 or drive a Suzuki SV650? Would you rather own a GMC Sierra or drive a Ram 1500? Would you rather drive a Jeep Wrangler or own a Toyota 4Runner? Would you rather own a Mazda CX-5 or drive a Subaru Forester? Would you rather ride a Harley-Davidson Iron 8 83 or drive a Honda Rebel 500? Would you rather own a Lexus RX or drive an Acura MDX? Would you rather drive a Hyundai Tucson or own a Kia Sportage? Would you rather ride a Suzuki Boulevard M109R or drive a Yamaha Star 1300? Would you rather own a Volkswagen Tiguan or drive a Nissan Rogue? Would you rather drive a Chevrolet Equinox or own a Ford Escape? Would you rather own a Porsche Cayenne or drive a BMW X5? Would you rather drive a Jeep Grand Cherokee or own a Dodge Durango? Would you rather own a Volvo XC60 or drive an Audi Q5? Would you rather own a Ford Mustang Mach-E or drive a Tesla Model Y? Would you rather drive a Subaru Outback or own a Honda CR-V? Would you rather own a Chevrolet Trax or drive a Hyundai Kona? Would you rather own a Jaguar F-Pace or drive a Land Rover Discovery Sport? Would you rather drive a Jeep Compass or own a Toyota RAV4? Would you rather own a Volkswagen Atlas or drive a Mazda CX-9?